Hey guys, welcome to my very first DIY video. This is not my first DIY project. I've done a couple of DIYs. I just didn't film them. So in today's video, I'll be making a gold rustic vase on a budget. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna use. So firstly, I'm gonna use the soil sand which I got from the road. Then secondly, I have this vase. I got this from someone. I think it came with flowers. I don't know from where. Then thirdly, I got this metallic gold spray paint which I got from builders. I don't remember how much it was, but it was quite affordable, less than 100 rands. Then I have the scissor which I'm gonna use to cut the flowers. Then lastly, I have these flowers which I got from the road on my way from work. I was actually looking for something dry, like dried plant or flowers, but I think this will be perfect when it's dry. So let me show you where I got it. Okay, now that my vase is dry, I'm gonna go in with the sand and scratch it. The reason why I am scratching it is because I don't want like a shiny vase. As you can see, it's very shiny and that is not what I want. So I'm going for a rustic look. So yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy this project. I hope you'll enjoy watching me make this vase. So yeah. This is the final product. I'm really happy with how it came out. It came out as expected. I know it kind of looks shiny on the video, but it's actually not shiny. I think the ring light was just too bright, but I'll insert the picture so that you can see. And that Chanel book is one of my DIYs. I just need to make 2 more luxury decorative books, then my side table will be complete. So be on the lookout for that video. So I actually haven't decided where to put this flower vase. I put it on the side table, on the kitchen counter, and on the TV stand. So I'll just see where I put it. So yeah, I'm really happy with how everything turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. So yeah, I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.